I believe my house is down here. Do do da 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 da. Holy shit! Holy fuck! Let's slow down a little bit. I'm not in the mood to die today. I know it's only a lawn tractor, but I got shit luck. What time is it? I want to keep going. 1 o'clock. Peanut don't give a fuck what's going on. She just wants to smell shit. Literally, shit. Hey, Peanut! Come on, buddy. Let's go this way. Let's go up there, buddy. Not far I can go over here. This is as far as I've gone right here. Never any farther than this. What the hell is that? This thing is slow. I think it'd be awesome for pulling shit. I'm gonna have to speed the shit out of these videos every time I put it in low range. Friggin' speed her up. Don't bore the shit out of you. It's cool for me, but I'm sure it makes a video drag for people watching it. That's for sure. Is that one dead? That's dead. You must die. Oh, that's not. Oh, no. Come on. You will live for today. Oh, my foot. There we go. I will let you live. Oh. The fuck is this? Hope they don't get mad. Hope they don't get mad for me being up here. I don't know if it's their yard or not, but what the frig is this thing here? What the hell is that? What the hell are they catching? It's nice to get in the bush, though. Even though I am on a freaking lawn tractor. Not a four-wheeler. I don't know why, but for some reason, taking these things out is a blast. You know, but why don't you take your four-wheeler out? Why don't you take it? I do. I don't. Like, I mean, there's a long story behind that one, too. But for some reason, these things are a fucking blast. You wreck them, who cares? You break them, fucking weld something on from a fucking bus. Fuck, who knows, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, oh, there you go. Ugh. Just shit like that, just dumb fun, man. Oh. dumb fun. I see mud. I see mud and trees. Die, tree. Ugh. There we go. Come on, buddy. Over the tree. Over the tree. That ain't happening. That might be why. That it wants to stay with me. There we go. Come on, you. There we go. Fucking tore that up a little bit. Well, at least I'll be able to follow my path out of here. Follow the friggin' ruts. Oh, there we go. Yeah, this year should be pretty freaking cool, man. This year should be friggin' awesome. Get out in the bush a lot more. More time. Maybe I'll get someone up here with me. That'd actually be way better. Have a buddy up here to romp the trails with on the tractors. Dumb fun, I tell you. Dumb fun. Ooh, lots of deer tracks and shit. Guess they were hanging out up here. My dog's gonna sniff the shit at everything now. Yeah, fuck, I don't have much time. Time to go back. Let's go back there, buddy. Oh, that was smooth. Let's do a 50 million point turn here. Okay, just a couple. Good, camera still in my pocket. That's a good sign. Faster. Well, my dog is going to be filthy, man. You want to get impaled? Yeah, I gotta hide all those wires. Sure, going through all this shit. There's gonna be a tree somewhere that's gonna want my wires on my tractor more than I do. There we go. I'm going like son of a whore. There we go. Alright, there's my dog. Let's do this. 6th gear. Crank up the speed a bit. And that off, and there we go. I know it's not that fast when you compare it to a four-wheeler, but and considering it's still stock, still not too bad. That's pretty unimpressive, actually. Probably would have been slower, probably would have been a little cooler, but oh well, no biggie. Let's go get my camera. It is beep. I'm leaving this handle. Freaking yeah, it's good to hold on to. There you go. I wish my neighbors can see me. Right, saying, what the fuck is that guy doing? Is he on a lawn tractor? Yes, I am. Wow, I can't believe. I mean, okay, I have 28 acres back here to screw with, and I've only been on what, 2? Maybe 3. That's awesome. I just got to get past that ridge. I got to find a way around that ridge. And I'll go and scout it out there. I'll walk it. Okay, that was fun. Let's do that again. Ah, damn. Can't wait till this stuff starts to go green. So much nicer than all this brown death. I think I might have to modify my gas cap. Modify it, drill it out, put some kind of a friggin' vent on it and run the vent up fucking up here or something like that. Somewhere it's not gonna friggin' piss gas all over the place and just ruin this, you know? Alright, let's go. There's some shit down here. Let's hit it. Freak dog. I'm gonna kill you. Watch it. And oh, right there we go. Here's some of the other odd shit. Let's take a look. Let's park this bad boy. Let's go show you some of this other weird shit that we got here.